As time passes, day by day, we find ourselves left to wonder, what greatness is yet to come? Like William Shakespeare once said, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. But as we sit here today, we find ourselves lost on what greatness is. What the fuck? This is boring. Come on now. The rust upon them? The fuck? Sounds so weird saying it nowadays. This isn't about something great. It's about something stupid. Fuck that shit. Just laugh and smile at some good clips. Sit back, relax, grab a bowl of popcorn. Here are the fucking clips, man.
Isagu.
Oh yeah. What's up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. But it's still in the middle of her desk. Unless I'm remembering wrong. Okay, yeah.
Is your hand centered on your torso when you play?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Like is your hand a lot?
Here.
One enemy remaining.
Diego.
Texting, fuck, my bad.
No.
Hey, let me grab that.
Oh, wait. Nice.
Never mind.
Oh, he's not. He can't be. I'm whipping like our teammates.
One enemy remaining.
Do that.
Spike down.
Thank
A.
We should put it down.
Issa, you're fuck you. You realize how even the random looked at you like what the fuck?
I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh my god.
I should have ulted Diego. He ran his ult. Here, I mean.
I'm flashing, right?
Oh, three.
One yellow.
Snowman. Yellow.
The wingman.
Yellow. One more yellow.
No, he's swing default. Yellow last. Nice. Good shit, Diego.
Good job. One flank.
What? I don't.
Flank last.
Paliza los golpeó.
Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, let's all peek.
Yeah.
Oh, clap.
What the?
Wait, where's Blood looking at?
I was about to say you
He
can
has
drop
ult, he has
the
TP.
frog. Oh, you're fucking
Oh, fuck.
dead.
Good shit. Wait, alright, just.
Guys, what if we all lurk?
I'm taking my pants off.
My hands off what?
You're taking your pants off, bro?
Taking your pants off?
What the fuck?
Oh gosh. I'm talking about it.
Okay, guys, give me 1 sec.
Omen, I guess.
No, we need your cipher. It doesn't matter. Oh. I don't play any other character.
What the fuck? That's on stairs.
I just killed myself. Okay. Report RKJ for page GG for bullying.
Spike plantada.
Objetivo eliminado.
Brian, can you stop fucking the cat?
Alright.
Yo, Brian, I might.
Have it.
Have it?
Vean dónde pisan.
Brian!
Un enemigo sigue en pie.
Oh.
I could never.
You didn't even need me, bro. Just give me the rip thing. Yeah.
Un enemigo sigue en pie. Corta Spike. Inicio de
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay,
No, actually, keep
okay.
going.
Quedan 30 segundos.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, fuck.
You didn't shoot your gun, bro.
Así me gusta.
I was a distraction
play
so
Subway
that Diego
Surfers.
can. Bro, our jet.
What? I thought you cut the omen.
Un enemigo.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
What are you doing? Hey, do you hate me like the other ones do?
Like the what? What are the other ones?
You should ask for this finger.
Don't care.
Spike plantada.
What's that area? Oh, it's freaking smoke.
Un enemigo sigue en pie.
Oh my! You're the best. Are you actually?
Sucking them.
Fucking scared me.
Siéntate.
You actually got me quick shaking in my
Corre,
boots.
pequeño.
Like flip. Oh, my bad.
I've got your trail.
Right, I'm scared. Shoot it for me, okay?
Shoot for you.
Last player standing. Last player standing.
Oh hell no!
Okay, go in.
Not what I meant.
Oh.
Didn't they spam you or you die?
One enemy remaining.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, close.
Safe for you. Oh my god.
You go good for one.
Going around. Thinking. So is it A, guys?
It might be.
What's happening over there? There's no way.
Dude, that's.
Blinding. Kill. One enemy remaining.
Are you? Careful, Diego. Oh wait, they're coming to you.
No, coming A. Oh, there's one more. What the?
Down A.
Freeze, gecko. Bomb down. On site. with
Psych,
Fred.
judge.
147 is one bullet.
Enemy remaining.
GG.
Last player standing.
Those real?
Spike planted.
No. Why would that be real? Fuck, I'm not stupid.
Yo, that guy's stupid though. Yo, guys. What?
Hey, yo.
Last player standing.
Oh my god, that was so.
I'm gonna flash over so you can updraft that over, okay?
Alright, I'm switching market only. Just fight spawn.
Flashing now.
Oh, I'm feeling big.
That's clear.
Oh my god, he's peeking gaming. I'll say one more.
I'm sticking.
Flank.
Both of you are low.
Boba.
CT. It's CT. Mbappe!
Nice, dude.
One door, your door. Or it could be cut in the box now.
Peeking backside.
One enemy
more.
remaining.
Last door.
Doors.
Top. Wide swing his ass. No balls. Ferrari him. You're better.
Yo, you know what he's doing for you?
Concealment.
We all disagreed.
You pop orb. John.
You lost that fight out loud.
Pop the orb.
Yeah.
One more.
What the fuck?
One more.
I laughed at you.
Yo.
Cypher's Hall.
Flashing him.
I'm planning for heaven.
But can I have
You
the
guys
pod?
stay heaven here.
It just means...
One A main, one probably sight.
2 A main.
No, they're all there, I think.
Last player standing.
Gen one. Last guy, last guy. Yeah,
Nice.
nice.
Way to fucking go, Diego. That's crazy.
Yeah. I just recognize your username because she posted you on her Instagram.
Oh shit. That's crazy.
Yeah.
What's your name? Haley?
Hey, yeah, Haley.
With an IE?
Yeah.
I'll let her know. Oh my god, you're actually just
Wait, what?
Last player standing.
Fucking
Yeah, no, I'm on.
Oh, sword default.
Spike down B.
Oh, nice. Ooh,
Wait.
both yellow.
Yellow.
And both yellow. Stun.
One enemy remaining.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. 120 Sage. Vandal on my body. Hold on.
Dude, if you run here, I can give you them.
Shit. 1-7.
What is happening?
Oh my god!
One enemy remaining.
Where's the safe?
What?
That's right. You
What just happened?
Goodbye. One enemy remaining. One enemy remaining.
Oh my fucking god, I got jump scared. He's still mid.
Oh my god, Diego was actually ready to spam.
Spike down A.
Chamber's mid.
I wish I was the one.
Oh, hall. It's so...
Nice.
Is someone gonna match Gabe's freak?
If I get random head
Impossible challenge. Actually, Diego can.
Hurry on the right. I'm a flash. I'm a clear left, you clear right.
I did a weird ass wall, bruh.
Or you could do that.
Where?
Reloading.
I'm planning.
Wait, what? 130 U-Haul.
Molly, you haul. What the fuck is happening? What's happening? Oh.
One spawn. Could be flank.
One enemy
Never mind.
remaining.
Spawn.
Oh, 40.
Don't let
The
Diego
fuck?
Don't let
Bro, I can't
Diego
believe they don't try against you, bro. Oh, what? Which one? It's the wrong one. What are you talking about? No, I don't think. Well, I haven't heard of it. What are you talking? I'll finish this up.
My glorious queen.
I'm gonna kill her every death I have.
Oh my god.
Every fight is a lesson.
I'm literally gonna
You're always
every
good
death.
for your one, bro, and I respect that shit, bro. No kappa. Stop talking like that. Okay.
Pages 90.
40 KJ.
That
the heck?
creature is dead. One enemy remaining.
What?
Oh my god.
Wait, you.
Oh my god, did it go? Oh my.
Fuck me.
Bruh.
Better.
Yeah, that's my Astra, bro.
What?
The dad?
Yeah.
No,
the
your
dad.
dad.
I'm
His
not-
dad. Oh, the nerd.
Search up
Um,
Invader Zim GAZ Gaz.
I'm not Jazz.
Last player standing.
Kristen
One
is
enemy
Gaz.
remaining. Hi. Bye. Refreshing. Thrifty.
Damn.
Spike planted.
Look at Scott.
Here. Knock knock. My ultimate is ready. That's good.
What's this guy doing, bro? What?
One enemy remaining.
3 out of 5. This is no problem.
Wait! Wait!
My eyes are better than yours.
No one saw that.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
I shot the fuck out of my teammate, dude.
Trick shots. Three out of 5.
The running headshot.
One enemy remaining.
4 out of
Oh, hell no.
4.
Ew.
Spike down B.
Dude, you know you can miss, right?
Last player standing. Somebody's there.
Diego, he was like getting it down sexy style. He'd be like freak party. Freaky party.